this particular video is special because for the first time ever in my quite neat little room, I'm going to be letting out 10 rabbits, so that because it's like my son is here. Ayush, all 10 of them are running.
Yeah.
Man. And it's all wet here because this is like I've never had 10 rabbits.
That guy that likes dinosaurs.
Perhaps I could clean up their cage. Yeah, that's what I could do. Because for the past 2 days, these little animals have not been free from their cage because of it was raining and all. So today it's like a surprise. And this little guy is here. Ayush, Hero, this one, white one. God, yeah, it's chaos. But then again, it's special. Ayush, this is something you can do only here. Show Ashimashi. Show Ashimashi.